emotion. She's simply her.
She's who she says she is, never asking for permission, neither weird nor ordinary. She's built on strength and vision,
Many entities in one, a soul that can't be undone. Grace in every step she takes, fire rising with the sun. She's a legion standing tall, she'll never fear, she'll never fall.
she's in warrior who hear her name.
She's KayDeeNation, changing the game.
Fearless heart, unstoppable flame.
That's who she is.
That's who she'll remain. One soul,
Many dimensions. That's who she is.